Hey guys, my friends. Hey. I just wanted to pop in and create this little video showing my pantry area. Someone wanted to see like where I keep like my backup stuff, and like they wanted to see like my pantry area. So I was like, why not do this little video, this quick little thing. But yeah, let me stop rambling and just show you my pantry. Alright, so right by the window where I keep like all my plants and stuff is my little pantry area. I got this pantry storage unit from Wayfair, and it opens up. I do have to move these plantain containers. It opens up pretty wide. The other side opens up as well. Gotta move this chair out the way. And so yeah, this is my pantry area. This is where I keep everything. And how much did I pay for this? I think this unit was like no more than $200. But I keep some snacks here, you know, some peanuts, some dry goods like, you know, tunas, just in case of an emergency. You know, I have some teas and coffees down here, popcorn and like extra stuff. And then up here, as you can see, I have all my beans, some like pineapples and dry fruits, tomato paste, and like corned beef is another safety survival, just in case of emergency type of food, just like, you know, tuna. So I like to keep that in my pantry if I want to have meat and like God forbid, you know, the refrigerator's not working and like the meat go bad, you can always count on corned beef and tuna. Or like, you know, they have chicken, canned chicken as well in these little cans, so you can get that as well. But I don't really like the chicken in the can, so I don't really get that. But yeah, so, and I have some like tortellini, dry tortellini, some pastas, different types of pastas, and some miscellaneous things like overstock stuff. I have some soup there, and these things last pretty long, same as the, you know, the beans and the corned beef and stuff like that. And, you know, obviously the pasta, you know, that lasts long, so I don't have to worry about like, you know, keep getting it constantly. And I do check when my things expire every month, so I do keep an eye out for that, just in case, you know, I have to buy, like, just in case something expire and I have to buy it again. I'll, like, you know, checking once a month helps, so that way, you know, I don't run out. So that way, in case of emergency, I have something, I have things that, you know, are up to date. And I have some backup oats at the bottom there, some, you know, what is this thing called? Protein bars. And then on this side, I have beans, some lentils, some quinoa that lasts pretty long, some cookies, some more corned beef because that couldn't fit over there, hot chocolate, yeah, and then miscellaneous stuff, some bars, some chocolate, some chewy bars, and more tuna at the bottom there, just again in case of emergency. I do have to fix this, but yeah, this is my pantry, my backup pantry, just in case of emergency. That's my pantry. And I also have yeah, don't mind this table. I made this table for my son, because I'm redoing the his area. I want to redo his area and put the table right there, and like y'all gonna see. I'll show y'all. But this, I made this table myself. Bought the materials from Home Depot. Had them cut the legs for me. I bought this piece as it is. Didn't have to cut this. Yeah, and then I had them, you know, cut the legs, and yeah, I just put it together myself. And this is gonna be his art table. But anyways, I do have another pantry area. I have this pantry area as well, but it's not really filled with backup stuff. It's mostly things that I use like on an everyday basis. And yeah, some bars, and what else I have in here? Some backup stuff is like, I also have some backup things in here. I use these fettuccine pretty often, and then I have my, like, you know, my nuts there, my cashews. And what do I have in here? I think I have tea in here, some backup teas. Yep, there's some backup teas in there. And that's this little unit. It's two separate, by the way. This is one and that's the second one, and I just put them on top of each other. And like, and I had this for years. I'm not sure if, and I got this from IKEA, if you guys are wondering. I'm not sure if they have it. I'm not sure if they still have it, but yeah, I got it from IKEA. I can't remember the price. And then at the bottom here, I have all my bacon stuff, things that I use for bacon, for my smoothies. Yeah, hand blender. This is my smoothie blender. This is another blender, hand blender, and I saran wrapped it so nothing could get in it. Some, what is this? Cookie cutters. I have another blender in the back. Some measuring cups, and what is this thing called? A mini griddle, mini maker, pancake make I don't know. It's something in the back there. Yeah, just wanted to keep everything that I like, everything that like I need kitchen wise, like gadget wise. I wanted to keep all in one place. So yes. And then at the bottom here, I have backup oil, and I do keep my towels and stuff here, my kitchen towels and stuff, and aprons here. So yes, that's that. Honestly, I do keep some backup things in here as well. It's really all over the place. Some backup things are in the back of there, way in the back of the cabinet, but for the most part, I keep everything over there in that little pantry storage unit. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. It really was supposed to be a quick little video. Yeah, thank you for watching as always, and for the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And just bear with me on this journey, on my YouTube journey. I hope you like my content. Thank you all again for watching. I really do appreciate you all. Till then, peace, love, and blessings. See you guys in my next video. Bye.